outside of Mykonos Airport, just landed. Just waiting on my Uber to come pick me up. This airport looks really cool. Walking to my hotel right now. Once again. Hey guys, I made it a lot upstairs, but this is my room in Mykonos and I'm already in love. This is me looking sweaty and crazy, but pretty practical and it looks nice for one person. So excited to stay here, and I'm gonna get dressed, shower, and hit the streets of Mykonos Town. See, I bring you guys the truth when it comes down to travel. I don't sugarcoat anything, and I don't like to look like I'm always perfect because this is how a 10-hour travel day looks. So anyway, heading out with my friends. They stayed at a different hotel and I just wanted my own hotel. You guys know I'm so used to like solo travel, and a lot of the rooms in Europe are pretty small, so I typically opt for my own room. But I'll give you guys the details of the pros and cons of where to stay, where to book when coming to Mykonos Town, and yeah, because I just did a lot of walking. So with that being said, I will take some photos. I'm so excited to take pictures because I'll show you guys quickly while I'm here how beautiful it looks outside. Here's my wonderful view. And I have a balcony as well. So stay tuned, guys. This is a view from my balcony. I'm gonna give you guys a full review on this hotel, but I really like this hotel. Initially, as you guys know earlier, it was hard for me to find it, but it all ended up working out. I'll give you guys some tips. But one moment, I'm going to get directions so I can head over and get dinner. Guys, so I'm back, and yeah, I am heading out to this place. And so far, I'm really liking it here in Greece. The weather is perfect. And I think it's partially because it's windy. Just a really nice breeze. So a little bit of walking. Let me just get the right directions and then I'll get back on. It looks beautiful tonight. Very windy, which feels great after a long day. I'm still walking towards the restaurant. The food was so good. Like, I sat there at the bench and now I'm by the water. And it was a really good portion for the price. I only paid 17 euros for the box that I took a picture of, and it was worth every penny. So they're a small business, and that's one of the best gyros I've ever tried in my life. So I highly recommend checking them out. But I will say now that I've been walking around, my hotel is actually in a great area. You don't really need to do cabs and stuff like that in this area. It's definitely very walkable. So I'm excited to explore more tomorrow. My friends went out to dinner somewhere else, but we're gonna meet up tomorrow and go to a beach club. So I'm probably gonna just do some more walking and then head to sleep because I've had a long day. So I won't say that concludes this vlog for Mykonos yet, but for the night probably. But if I see something else like interesting, then I will share it with you guys. So yeah. from Mykonos. I'm outside in my hotel, just catching a breeze. We have a balcony here. A bit windy today, but the weather is so nice. So probably gonna get breakfast, take a few pictures, and head out. So we'll contact you guys later. Well, not contact. I'll keep vlogging. The wind is blowing, but it feels really nice out. Our morning walk before it gets completely crowded. I've just learned how to just walk in Mykonos and just like discover places. Okay. This looks like just one hotel. Okay. I am leaving my hotel, but as you can see here, this path is what you have to take to get down to Mykonos Town. If you don't like a lot of walking or hills, I would advise not to come because it's just unavoidable. So you will be doing a lot of walking coming to Mykonos. And when you're using maps, I recommend Google Maps because it will show that there's inclines. On Apple Maps, this just looks regular, but as you can see, there's a lot of steps. So definitely for people who are fit. So I made it to Athens and I'm heading to Paris next. This is just a layover. I came from Mykonos, but I will say that I have about a 5-hour layover. I had the option to do a longer layover, but I just wasn't really feeling it because I'm already exhausted. I've been like going to so many different places, but so far it looks really clean and really organized, and the people are really nice here. So I went to the beach club. And got a tan, and I kind of look crazy, but yeah, I figured I wouldn't stop. And next time I'm here, I would definitely sunscreen. I would definitely check out more of Athens, but yeah, so much to tell you guys about Mykonos and whatever, but yeah, I'm definitely coming back to Athens for sure. So I have a 2-hour layover. I'm gonna like get freshened and clean because once I land, I have to get through security and then go straight to the Louvre because I bought tickets. I was supposed to be in Paris earlier, but my flight got canceled because of the strike. So now I'm catching a later flight. So make a long story short, we got some things to do. So I need to be dressed and look ready for Paris. So